Have you ever noticed that cabin crew always have two suitcases? What's inside them? Why do they need both? Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind these bags and diving into the incredible world of cabin crew life. But that's not all. If you dream of becoming a flight attendant for Emirates, Qatar Airways, or Etihad, I'll also share insider tips on how to pass your interview and what to expect once you're selected. Stick around because this might just change your perspective on flying forever. First, let's talk about the smaller bag, also called the cabin bag. The crew takes this bag on turnaround flights. But what exactly is a turnaround flight? A turnaround is a flight where the crew do not stay overnight in another city. They fly to a destination and return home on the same day. Since they don't need to pack for a layover, their small cabin bag holds only the essentials: makeup and grooming kit. The cabin crew must look immaculate throughout the flight. Snacks and hydration. Staying energized during long shifts is crucial. Power bank and gadgets, phones, tablets, or even ebooks for breaks. Personal hygiene items, toothbrush, deodorant, hand cream, and more. Emergency uniform and essentials just in case of unexpected situations. The big suitcase is used for long-haul and layover flights. Now, for longer flights that involve layovers, the crew bring their big suitcase and the cabin bag too. A layover means the crew stays overnight in another country before flying back. Since they'll be away for at least 24 hours, they need multiple uniforms in case of spills or emergencies, casual clothes and shoes for exploring the destination, workout gear, many crews hit the gym or go sightseeing, toiletries and personal care items to freshen up between flights. So, you aced your final interview with Emirates, Qatar Airways, or Etihad? Congratulations! But the real challenge is just beginning. 6 to 8 weeks of intense training. This is not a vacation. Expect survival training. Whether it's the jungle, desert, or freezing snow, you'll learn how to survive in extreme environments in case of an emergency landing. Delivering a baby at 35,000 feet, believe it or not, this happens at least once a year on board a commercial flight. Restraining unruly passengers. If someone refuses to comply with the rules or causes serious problems, the crew must know how to physically restrain them. This training is no joke. It's designed to test your mental and physical endurance, and only the strongest make it through. We even have some crew who resign even before they finish the training. Now let's talk about how to secure the job in the first place. Many people fail the cabin crew assessment not because they're not good enough, but because they don't understand what recruiters are really looking for. Group activities, be a team player. Always use phrases like, "Our team and I," we think. After careful consideration, we came to this conclusion. Engage with your colleagues using, "I'd like to add," "I'm sorry to interrupt, but what do you guys think about this?" Remember, the recruiter is watching how well you communicate and work in a team. This job is all about teamwork, not just individual performance. Pay attention to recruiter hints. Listen carefully to what they emphasize. Be precise, only say what is necessary. Be social and approachable. This job is about interacting with people every day. Mindset is everything. Go in with confidence, knowing you're securing the job. Enjoy the process. Stress can work against you. Being a flight attendant looks glamorous, but the reality? You'll have to make some serious sacrifices. No pets allowed in crew accommodation. Unless you get your private apartment, no cats, dogs, or any pets are allowed. No holidays with family. Expect to miss Christmas, birthdays, and special family events due to flight schedules. Jet lag is real. In just 1 month you might visit all 7 continents. Your body will constantly be in shock from time zone changes. No personal car in company housing. Most crews live in company-provided accommodation, which means no personal car unless you get your place. But the real question is the job worth it? Only you can decide. But one thing is for sure, once you become a cabin crew, your life will never be the same. Now that you know the reality of cabin crew life, would you still do it? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insider aviation content. See you in the next video.